Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, April 8th. The exercise we're going to do today offers a way to deeply reconnect with yourself. Although it's not a traditional mindfulness practice, you can use it to remember who you are, especially when you forget. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be nice and soft, natural, and just notice how this natural breath flows through your body and how your body responds to it. Now imagine yourself in a difficult situation. It may be something coming up that is bringing some fear or anxiety, or something you already went through in the recent past. Recognize any fear or aversion that is present as you bring this event to mind. Maybe you want to ask for a raise at work, need to have a difficult conversation with a loved one, or maybe you have an upcoming appointment that is bringing some worry. Whatever it is, just notice what comes up. And rather than playing out the story in your head, ask yourself what the strongest version of yourself would do and how they would handle it. Picture your strong self handling the situation with complete kindness, care, mindfulness, patience, wisdom. And as you visualize the situation in your head, make special effort to notice the strength within you. Allow yourself to feel strong and confident. When you begin doubting yourself, return to the strong you. It's there. Reconnect with your intention of wisdom and compassion in the face of difficulties. Let me be silent for a while as you play it out in your head. You can continue with one experience, playing it through multiple times, or you can try working with a different situation or event. Just continue to connect with the strength you have within you. And remember to breathe deeply and watch for any anxiety and worry. I'll be silent for a minute or so. When you finish this practice, you may want to journal about your experience. Writing after this exercise gives you a very crystallized look at yourself as the strong you. And this can help clarify how you are able to handle painful experiences. But now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to use this practice when a difficult situation arises. In that moment, remember who you are. Reconnect with a strong you for a few moments. Remind yourself that you are capable of meeting this situation with wisdom. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you, I think, tomorrow. No, tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice, so I will see you on Thursday.